24th, 1992. I borrowed a camcorder from the Deemers, and I thought I'd take a few pictures of the property. Last summer we put this fence up that you see the horses out in, happily munching away. There's Pinky and Traveler, and Karen Lake's mare. And over here is Darby. He got to come out for the day. We're trying to ease him in so that he can come out and be here a little more. All this new spring grass. Our property runs from that telephone pole right up there, or that fence line. See that? Along that ridge where the fence line is, right on the other side of that is the Vastasegas property. There's our big tree. I need to clean out under that. Goes over there. You can see the fence all along that ridge. And down there to the pond. That's the one side of our property. Okay, I'm going to walk down a little further now. I won't make you seasick by having the recorder on while I'm doing it, but I'll walk down and show you where we're building the barn. This is going to be our driveway. We'll go down between these two rows of fence posts, or fences, where we're going to plant some trees next fall. And right at the end there, where the two cars are, a little bit further than that, will be our house. And over here, Ed and Tom are putting up the barn. They've done a good job. It started yesterday. Actually, only got started yesterday at about 3:30 to drill the holes and put the poles up. It's the Darnley's house you see over there on the hill. And that's the rest of our property around over there. This will be the view from the house, right up at the pond. There's our big dead oak tree. Right over the valley. And the side of our hill over there. Back over and up where the horses are. I couldn't tell, Tom. Look at that barge. Look at that bale. Hi, Edward. Well, it's the end of the day on the 24th, and Ed and Tom got all of the big tall posts up. And we got them marked for marked to put the loft in tomorrow. You can get an idea of how tall the side and the middle parts are. Notice how nice and straight on line those rows and rows of tall posts are. It says he's going to take a come along and bend them all together at the right height tomorrow, and he starts putting the cross timbers up. There's Edward pacing out his wood. There, today is August the 4th. There are horses moved over there. There's the barn.
Darby!
Brooke's calling her horse. She's got to mute him. And over here is the dirt and stuff that is our new house. That's the topsoil that they scraped off of the where they put the road in. Here, let me turn around here and I'll show you put the driveway in. It goes up there. It's a little bit to one side, more to one side than the other, but not too bad. And he left that nice big pile of topsoil. I hope we're going to be able to use that in the front yard because it'll grow grass a lot better. I'm going to go down to where the house is going to be. Okay, there's that pile of topsoil. And there's the big hole in the ground where the house is going to be. They're putting the footers in already, it looks like. This is the second day. Yesterday is the day they broke ground, and yesterday was just a hole. Today the concrete people are out working already. Let's see. I'm not sure what we're looking at, but that's what it is. Here's the Darnleys. This gives you an idea, I guess, of the shape of the house. It's a lot, I thought yesterday when I looked at it that it went out all the way to the edges, but it doesn't. And that goes, I guess you can see over there the way it bows out a little. That's where the window for the kitchen is, and then down over there is the one for the bedroom. And that thing out on the side there with a little square in it, let me see if I can zoom in there. That must be where the doorway for the basement's going to be, and I think there's a drain where that little square is in the center. And coming forward, that corner over there is going to be the master bedroom, that niche back in that far corner. And then that thing that sticks out there is the library, but it sure is narrower than I imagined it would be. And then this thing that goes out in the front is the, I guess is the front porch. I'm not really sure about that. And it comes around over here, and that's the dining room window right there. And then it goes back a little, and then the garage is way down here, but I'm not sure why the slab of it, or I'm not sure why the footings, I guess they have to go down deep into the ground and then they pour a slab on top of that. But not knowing anything about building, I'm not sure. Here we are down in the house. And Brooke and I were just thinking how little it looks from down inside it. There's Darby, the only important thing. You gotta be careful out here, there's a hole. Enough worrying about the house. Now we get to look at Darby and Brooke. They're going down to the pond so Darby can have a little look-see. Trot him out that way. Trot him out that way. He's lame.
Yeah, no kidding. There's holes. Remember that's the foot he got stuck in the pond. Turn it off.
Here we are, August 10th. I don't think I've recorded since there was just a hole in the ground, and now there's the frame for the walls of the basement. We'll walk over. Make you seasick. me see, are we all the way back? I'd probably fall in the hole. There's the trucks with the thingies that go in. Let me turn it. That's the part where the garage is going to be. I don't think the footers are up there because the rebar is sticking up. They must not have gotten to that today. We are in the basement. They filled in, when we first came out, there were just the piles of concrete laid down. They're going to put the posts for the basement. Now they've covered it with a layer of gravel to bring it up. I don't know if this will turn out because we're taking it into the sun. Might not. Here's where the little door to the outside is going to be, that little part that goes out, door from the basement. There's our pastures over there. They hayed. We spent all day yesterday haying them. They look really nice now. All the way around by the pond. They'll green up. Cutting hay over at Tom's and Gale's today. There's a Darnay on the mower. Okay, this is Dingo and Brooke doing some heavy construction work here at the house. Dingo's in charge, obviously. He's looking around saying, okay. Should we get a little more over there, Brooke? How about we push that stuff?
I'm gonna pull it down.
Oh, no, I don't think so.
Why?
Turn that way, Brooke, he says. Go over there. A little more that way. Shove that dirt over there.
I didn't do anything.
Well, maybe we had a key, babe.
I wonder what happens if I hold these down. Oh, that scooped. No, I think that has to be on.
Does it say scoop?
I'm probably breaking that little cap.
27th of September, and old Ed's got wood up around his barn. Let's see what else he's got. Oh, fence posts. Oh, a house. Look at that. Almost has a roof on it. See if we can back off and take a look at it. It's too big to back off. I'd have to be on the road. Let's zoom in into the garage. Yeah. Dining room, and oh, there's Gwen in the bathroom taking a shower. Okay. Now the side view with the lake next to it, the dead tree, and there's Missouri.
You're going